Hi! In today's video, we will be talking about the FeedbackPanda Launcher. The FeedbackPanda Launcher can be used with VIPKid to launch the VIPKid Teach app. You can find the launcher on FeedbackPanda.com, and if you scroll down to the bottom of that window and go to the Help Center, the very first article is going to be that FeedbackPanda Launcher instructions on how to install on either Mac or Windows. Once the launcher is installed, you can go into Start on Windows or go into the Finder or into your apps on your Mac to open that up. When you open up the launcher, it will look something like this. And now you will have the big green launch button. You're always going to want to follow this process. Open up FeedbackPanda and then click on Launch. Do not open the VIPKid Teach app first. The integration will not work if you do it in that order. So always start with opening up the FeedbackPanda launcher and then clicking on the green Launch button. This will open up VIPKid for you. If you're already logged into your VIPKid Teach app, it will automatically bring you in. You won't need to log in each time. So now if we go into your classrooms, you'll see that you have the pandas here on the right-hand side. Once you click on the panda, this will open FeedbackPanda up in your browser, where you can now search the cloud for templates or add your own. When selecting a template, you'll want to make sure that you check that template. Most commonly, you're going to have the teacher's name here that created the template. So you can go ahead and update that name. And then you'll want to click on the Generate button on whichever side that you did not make those changes to. So you'll see they are currently different. Once I click on Generate, any changes I made on one side will appear on the other. We can then click on Import. We can now copy this feedback and go back into VIPKid to submit that.